Okay, we're gonna do a little video. I just kind of want to, I did walk one direction already, and I'm gonna walk the opposite way now. And these two videos are gonna be separate. So maybe you saw the other one before. This is gonna be the second one, but this is called Taipa Pequena. Now I know a little bit more about it as well. So this is all like hiking trails. There's a trailhead right around the corner as well. And then we're looking down on an area called Ocean Gardens, or I should say looking up, because we're quite high up already, up on a hill. And you'll be able to see that later. Maybe you can see it now, because you can also look down a little bit. But these are still rooftops here, so this would look down quite a bit. And what we're gonna do is walk the street. We're gonna kind of walk. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. We're gonna kind of walk, and then there's a path there, and I'm gonna show you that. And I guess all this on the right is public property. So there's all these cameras, like that camera, and this one looks like it's like a solar energy thing. But you can kind of see like there's all these apartments here as well. And we're going to kind of walk. You can also see some apartments over that way as well. And so I think this is called like Rose Villa or something like that. So you got these beautiful houses, nice balconies, and here's a security guard guy. So they have like everything is monitored by cameras, and I've been seeing signs all around here for cameras as well. So so I guess it's like kind of an expensive area. Let's just walk across real quick. So yeah, over there is that yellow building is part of Zhuhai, China, actually. Like this part of Taipa, we're on the island of Taipa. Vivienda delle Rose. There's our trailhead that goes up into the hiking. It's another big monstrous building. All kinds of cool stuff in here. And now we can look down a little bit so you can see context. So yeah, that's all Ocean Gardens, and yeah, it's all private property in there. Actually, there's a lot of security right there. But these giant housing that kind of are on the rooftop, Taipa Pequena. Let's just kind of look at that trailhead next. And crosswalk, Macau style crosswalk. Taipa Pequena 2000 circuit. It's a leisure zone, children's playground up there. So let me see, where are we? This is north, so that must be, this is must be the water part, and then we're probably over here, I guess. So we're kind of at the edge, and we're overlooking China, so that's China over there. This is Ocean Gardens, and then so we were looking at Ocean Gardens right there. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, all of this is got some pretty cool looking stuff everywhere. Lots of flowers, lots of trees, lots of beautiful stuff overlooking Ocean Gardens. So yeah, when you saw that map, this is Ocean Gardens, and then I don't know if you can see, there's like a little running path. I just saw a runner, and then right here is the train line. So this is the last station of the light rail train system in Macau that's just opened up about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago now. Opened up right about the time COVID started. Over there is Hengqin Island. That's the financial district that they're starting. And later that'll be part of Macau, the overall bigger Macau area. So we're kind of overlooking all kinds of cool stuff up on this street. Look at all this greenery and this foliage, it's beautiful. So yeah, actually we've got Ocean Gardens and then China. So this is, if you went all the way up here, you go up into a harbor area. The inner harbor, it's called. And there's all the mountain trails up there. You can see a little bit of it right there. You can see that little path right up in there. So this street is going to be called Estrada de Sete. So there we go. And I'm just going to walk a little bit further. And I kind of also wanted to capture, there's all these signs right here. Say you've entered private areas of Rosa, so you're monitored, I guess. All right, so, which is kind of interesting because I think when I first started this one, I found out that there was public parking for the public here. So it's interesting that you would park in the private property with public parking and pay a meter, you know. Anyways, it is what it is. We're just gonna walk a little bit further and then we're probably gonna end this shortly. Yeah, pretty beautiful street. A lot of runners. You noticed up here too. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stop right here and just kind of show you all this. And then you got these beautiful houses like that too. Okay. And we're just gonna go. Yeah, now you can see even more of them. So they go all the way down. So yeah, this is part of Taipa, which is part of Macau. Taipa is also where Cotai Strip is at. Vivenda de la Rose. So let's end it right there. We'll end it right here. Let's come over to the side. You can see all those rows of homes. So each one of those homes, they're actually like down the mountainside. So I've seen them from the other side and they kind of go down like several stories, but their entrance is up on the top story, which is kind of cool, right? And then you got this beautiful plants as well. So, okay. Hope you like this one, kind of interesting. Chiquinha, chiquinha.